And here we have our apple peeler corer. It's a 3-in-1. Looks sort of like a torture device, but the only thing it will torture is your taste buds. Here we have our handle, our prongs where you will place your apple or potato, our release button, and here we have our peeler. This device can be adjusted to peel the apple or the potato, and if you do not want to use it, you can always pull it back and just leave it. That way you can leave your rind or your potato peel right on the vegetable. This here is a core, where it'll push your apple through, coring it, and it'll take all the seeds and the core out. Then you'll have a nice spiral apple or potato to deep fry or to make your apple pie, nice uniform slices of apple. It also mounts directly to your countertop or to a wood device that you may want to purchase separately. It does mount directly to your countertop, either on your cutting board or off. And have the cutting board at the end. You're just going to crank it tightly against your countertop. And the little foot will hold it firmly on your countertop. And then you're going to pull back and place your vegetable or your fruit on there that you would like to grind.